In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the 403 forbidden error in Hostinger. This is a common issue that can prevent users from accessing their website, but thankfully it's usually straightforward to fix. So let's get started navigating through Hostinger's platform to resolve this error together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, locate the login button on the home page. It's typically found on the top right corner of the screen, inviting you to enter your credentials and gain access to your account. If you're not logged in yet, simply click on this button, enter your username and password and proceed. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the Hostinger control panel, often referred to as the H panel. This is where you can manage all of your web hosting needs. On the menu, look for the Hosting tab, which will give you access to the various websites you may have hosted with Hostinger. Click on it, and this will lead you to a list of your hosting accounts. Next, you want to click on the Manage button adjacent to the website experiencing the 403 error. Once in the management area, find the Files section on the dashboard. This is key, as your access permissions are likely the culprit for the error and you can adjust them here. Click on the Files option and then go ahead and select the File Manager. This tool is incredibly helpful, providing a comprehensive view of the files on your server. Once inside the file manager, you'll want to access all files related to your premium web hosting account. This should be easy to find as it's clearly labeled. Once there, locate the folder labeled domains. Click into it and then navigate to public/html. This is the directory where most of your website's essential files and folders are stored. Here's where the crucial part comes in, correcting the file permissions. Right-click on the folders and files within public.html to check their permissions. For the folders, set the permissions to 755. This ensures they have the right read, write, and execute settings. For the files, configure their permissions to 6444. This setup grants the proper access levels necessary for your site to function smoothly without any forbidden access issues. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've checked and adjusted the necessary file permissions in Hostinger, effectively resolving the 403 forbidden error. Remember, keeping your file permissions correctly set is crucial for smooth website operation and security. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you encounter any other issues, feel free to revisit this video or explore further resources to assist with your web hosting journey.